This facility is set to transform the landscape of diagnostics in Africa by producing rapid diagnostic test kits that rival the very best globally for diseases that continue to burden our continent: malaria, HIV, hepatitis, and other priority diseases. With a planned capacity of 147 million LDTs annually, this factory is designed to be one of the largest and most advanced in Africa. Our goal is to serve not only Nigeria, but also the broader ECOWAS region, and eventually the entire continent.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Ogun State, I have to appreciate what I have seen in your state in terms of the industrialization, the base, the convergence, the ecosystem that you are trying to create. Just from the airport and to see what is going on around and what I have heard about it, I think you've played an incredibly valuable leadership in this direction, and I commend you and commend your team for what you have done. And after Ogun, I hope other states, including my state, can learn a few things from what you have done in industrializing Ogun State.
With the official commissioning of CODIX BIO LTD and the launch of the Haraka Q HIV Rapid Diagnostic Test Kits that will be producing about 147 million kits annually, this event marks not just the opening of a factory, but the dawn of a new era in biomedical innovation within our nation. It is a bold declaration that Nigeria is ready to take charge of its health solutions, strengthen its public health infrastructure, and significantly reduce our dependence on imported diagnostic tools. Notably, this is Nigeria's first large-scale rapid diagnostic tests RDT production facility and the only second of its kind in sub-Saharan Africa. It's capable of manufacturing test kits for HIV, malaria, hepatitis B and C. This marks a crucial milestone in our journey towards healthcare sovereignty, as the Honorable Minister of Education rightly noted. He said, welcome to the strengthening of biosecurity in Nigeria. Let us continue to build a healthier and more prosperous Nigeria together.